Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So fortunately in this model it is so easy and quick. So all you have to do is to enter the settings. Then let's scroll down to almost very bottom to find additional settings. Tap on languages and input and tap on the languages. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. And basically all you have to do is to find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, for example. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. From now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Because I'm not really good at this language, and tap on English in my case. And again, the same situation, it is immediately changed. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.